right, ladies and gents, I know you want to see the carbon fiber wide body, and I promise you, I'm working hard to get that for you. But I'm just one man, a squirrel trying to get a nut to feed my butt. But I'm busy making wide body molds, printing wide body plugs, but it is taking some time. I didn't forget about you, and I do promise I will do it. But today we're going to cross another item off the list. New taillights are going in, the factory badges are coming off, and for the first time, we're gonna see every single light upgrade on this car working in beautiful harmony. All right, so if you've ever wrapped a car before, you know what comes next. We need to get rid of these emblems so we can do a nice wrap underneath it and then put the emblems back on after for that really professional finish. Trying to get these on after you vinyl and cut them out will just look horrible. We also need to remove this horrible CarMax sticker, along with there's two side pieces there that have a film on it to protect that paint. Now we're going to be totally getting rid of this Infiniti symbol here and not putting that back on, but we'll put back on the emblem and that G37 when we are done. So I need to make templates, so as we take them off, we know exactly where to put it back on. Let's get to work. Before we start stripping this car, there's one more upgrade that I've been wanting to install and I'm excited that it's here. And that is, drum roll please, these new taillights. Yes, sir. This will finish modernizing that car, which I am excited to do. And just to give you guys a good first look. There we go. On to installation. Let's be honest, these taillights are not terrible. They got a very iconic look to them, a lot of G37s have, but they are very 2013, and we need to modernize this with the rest of the car and bring it into the 2026s. So let's get these out, get the new ones in, and I promise you will not be disappointed. So basically on this coupe one, you got to replace the light button here. I didn't know that. Thought I was done, and nope, guess not. Now it's time to do what no one has ever done before. Wrap this button in black. All right, well, probably a couple people, probably a couple thousand, million, whatever. I'm gonna wrap it in black so it matches the rest of the car. Looks a bit slicker. So here we go. All right, moment of truth. Ooh, yes, sir, that looks so sweet. Me like. It's funny how small upgrades don't seem like much when you're installing them, but eventually you step back and realize how much everything has really changed. Time to get this car naked. And to do that, we got to remove these badges, which I talked about before, will help when we go to wrap this car. So the first thing you want to do is get out your trusty heat gun, heat up these badges, which will heat the glue behind it and make it much easier to remove these and also protect your paint. Once it's hot enough, take some you can take dental floss. I take a little bit of fishing line. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of take a sawing motion behind it until these letters pop off. Now that all the letters are off, you're left with a bunch of glue. Take care of that. I use a kind of plastic razor blade to scratch off what I can. Again, a little bit of heat gun will help in the glue. And then there's a final step after this that will show. We're gonna go ahead and get this all done, then rinse and repeat with the big Infiniti and the G37. All right, so for this one, we're going ahead, clean around it. Sure there's no dirt that's gonna be there to scratch as we try to get this off. It's a nice clean. Isopropyl alcohol is what I use. Get that off of there. And then we're gonna heat them up with the heat gun here. Make sure you don't stay over any one spot too long, as that will eat through the paint. So small motions, get it nice and warm. All right, then I'm gonna use this small little plastic blade here, and they should come right off back Armax, and that is that. Now here's the mistake that most people make. They remove the badges, and months later they have absolutely no idea where they went. Now, future Charlie is an absolute idiot, so we're gonna make this as easy as possible for him. So once the wrap is finished, these templates will let us reinstall everything exactly where it belongs. There's 1 and 2 emblems cut out. So that's all we need to do. Templates, make sure you name them. That was a horrible handwriting, but as you can see, that baby fits right in there. Glad I have an amazing memory, because I know exactly where this goes. No template needed. And that is perfection. To get the rest of this like residue off, we're going to be using this eraser onto this drill. So gonna have it go a little bit, and we'll just erase it like you would anything else, and hopefully it starts to come off. All right, to get this back buttery smooth and take off the rest of all this excess, we're gonna do a little sanding. So we'll start with a 2000 grit. Now we move to a 2500 grit. We'll end sanding with a 3000 grit. Now that's done, we're going to use a cutting compound to get rid of all those scratches in there, and then we're going to finish her up with a little bit of polish. All done with this tool. Let's get to work. See, you already got a lot of that shine back. It's looking beautiful. There we go, nice and buttery. I didn't even be able to see my fancy little mug in here, but that's why we do it. That's the final step a lot of people don't take if you're gonna debadge your car to make it look absolutely perfect. A few months ago, this was just an old G37. Now we're getting dangerously close to the point where this thing won't be recognizable anymore. The wrap is coming soon, then the wide body, then the wheels, and that's where things get crazy. Now I need to get my ass back to making molds, 3D printing, and carbon fiber. It's a lot. And if you've been with the Blue Eyes project from the very beginning, thank you very much. We're getting closer and closer to that vision I had since episode 1. And trust me, the best part has yet to come. So hit that subscribe button so you can see the wrap coming and the wide body. And I will see you next episode. Peace.